Hi guys, my name is Eduardo Mitrake. I'm here with the Toomey Homes Group in Montgomery County, Maryland. Your September market update for the residential real estate market in Montgomery County, Maryland is here. In this video, we'll look at market statistics and contributing data that ran through the month of September, briefly checking in how 30-year fixed mortgage rates have trended nationally before going on to look at key local market data that was sourced directly from this month's Bright MLS. In this video, I attempt to break down a handful of charts in detail, such as number of new listings on the market, number of new pending sales, and the chart of median list prices and closing prices before providing a complete summary with all the current market conditions at the very end. If you just need some quick info on one specific market aspect, or you'd like a summary of the current market as a whole, please feel free to skip ahead to the relevant section of this video. Okay, that said, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start off with the 30-year fixed mortgage rates provided by Freddie Mac. These rates are reported weekly, every Thursday. First, let's take a glance at the mortgage rates starting January 1st, when the lowest rate reported was on January the 7th at 2.65% for the 30-year fixed rate mortgage. The highest rate reported this year was on April 1st at 3.18%. Mind you, that was the time when the market was on fire and homes had incredible competition. After that, the trend continued downwards, reaching a low of 2.77% on August 4th. As you can see in this 2-month chart, interest rates were steady through the end of September, while starting an upward trend after September 24th, going all the way up to 3.14% on October 28th. Okay, moving on to local active listings. For the month of September, we had 1,701 new active listings in Montgomery County, compared to 1,523 new listings that came on last month, in August. This means an 11.68% increase month over month. Comparing this to September at the same time last year, when there were 1,559 new listings, we can see a 9.1% increase in the number of listed homes from the previous year. Quickly switching over to pending listings, this is the number of homes that went under contract during the specified months. However, if a listing went under contract more than once, it is only counted the first time. For the month of September, Montgomery County had 1,022 homes that went under contract, comparing to last month in August when there were 1,106 new pendings. This means a 7.6% month-over-month decrease. When comparing this to September of last year, when there were 1,175 homes that received a contract, that's a 13% drop from last year. Okay, switching over to price charts. The month of September, Montgomery County's median list price was $543,290. Comparing this to last month in August, when the median list price was just short of $500,000. Actually, $499,999. This means an 8.65% month-over-month increase. September of last year, however, was not too different than last month, with $499,000 as the median list price here. That's an 8.87% year-over-year increase. Almost done here. Next, we're going to look at how many units have closed in September versus last month and versus last year. This September, we've seen 1,283 listings actually go to close, down from the month of August when there was 1,450 closed sales. This means an 11.5% decrease in homes closed from last month. Comparing this month to the same time last year, September 2020 had 1,328 closed sales, making this month's volume only slightly lower with a 3.38% less closed homes now. For the month of September, Montgomery County's median closing sales price was $510,000. This meant a month-to-month decrease of 7.73%. When we compare this September with September of 2020, we see a 3.65% increase in the median closed sales price. Let's do a quick inventory comparison that also includes data from the month of October before we'll wrap it up with the summary. Last year, this time, there were 14.2% more listings that were introduced to the market than October of this year, When comparing to last month, we still see a 12% decrease in homes brought to the market. Inventory is at an all-time low and the market is likely to continue a trend upwards into the new year. On to the new pendings. We can see that 85.8% of the homes that were introduced to the market this month received at least an offer and went on the contract, compared to last year when only 80.5% went on the contract. Although interest rates have increased from September, buyers are buying more now compared to September of this year, when only 75% of the new listings went on the contract. So in summary, the month of September saw new listings to market drop off by a reasonable percentage when compared to August at 8.6% rate, but very typical for the period when compared to September of 2020 with only a 0.26% decrease in new listings. Pending sales for September were down 7.6% from last month, while a staggering 13% decrease from the same time last year. These are signs of a cooling buyer frenzy that was caused by the pandemic. While median close prices were down 7.73% from last month, we've seen a 3.65% increase from the same time last year. That is some good news, although median sales price doesn't say much when you're talking at a county level. Note that it doesn't mean that homes have appreciated only 3.65% from 2020. These are median sales prices. If you're looking for detailed appreciation for your area, please comment below and I'd be happy to provide you with more detailed information for your specific area or neighborhood. When we are recording October activity at the end of next month, we would expect to see recorded closings tick up once more. Okay then, that does it for our October market update here in Montgomery County, Maryland. Please hit the like button if you found this video useful, subscribe to the page and click the bell notification to stay up to date with future market updates as well as tips and tricks for this housing market. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Stay safe out there and have a great one.